Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. You won't believe the latest cybersecurity scam that's been dreamt up. It's very 2005, but people are falling for it. Some criminals are shipping a USB drive. It looks like it's from Microsoft with an updated version of Office, but actually the drive is full of malware. If you plug it in, the software tries to trick you into calling a fake support line, and the people at the other end will work very hard to persuade you to hand over your bank details. No one in your business would fall for that, would they? Play it safe and warn everyone about this scam. Perhaps it's also a good time to review the software and staff training you use to protect your business. You need the right combination of the two. We can help with that. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.